Hey dude, so we're back, man. I just wanted to give you an update, bro, and let you guys see how everything is going. What does that look like to you, man? I don't know. Brother, you tell me. And please mind the dogs in the background. They're excited about it too. Now, I showed you this last time, man, and bro, you just gonna have to tell me what you think. There's the other one. You remember how it was, bro, you remember how it was blighted? Say, Pimp, I think what the copper is doing is it's cauterizing the wounds. I mean, man, I don't know. If you go back and watch my other videos, bro, I think that you'll probably, and just hit me up in the comments and just let me know. Just between you and me, I just want to know what you think. It ain't gonna be nobody else. So, my G, look. You remember how it looked like it was spreading? It looked like it just kind of stopped it from doing that. All because of that. Huh. Little pink flamingo, dude. So, you see all the new growth. You see the nose coming in, man. Wow. I mean, I know, man. I mean, sometimes they're going to want to say, hey, you can't be showing people stuff like this. But, man, between me and you, I'm looking at those nodes, man. And you know what that looked like to me? It looks like some figs. So just a quick update for you, man. Just hit me back when y'all get the time. Man, I'm really impressed. How many days has it been down, man? I mean, it's been about maybe 4, I think. The trees are shaking, saying yeah in the affirmative. But hey, let's go take a look at some other ones, okay? Now this one's in the shade. You could probably see a little bit better. And man, look at this thing. And there's that ever-present praying mantis that was there last time. I guess it's protecting the tree. It knows that it can get some insects. Bro, isn't that cool? Little mantis. Looks like it's gonna do something right there. I like that. I like it. I like it. Man. Bro, that's... I mean, look at it. It even has a little node. I'm gonna bring this down so you guys can see it. It even has a little node going right there. That's awesome. I'll put that up a little bit later, but look at it. All right, moving on, man. Look at this girl. She is just on it. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing on this one too. I'm gonna put the deal down, but I gotta watch it because this one has some parts in there. trap them. Oh, there's one there at the bottom. Can't forget about you. There's probably one in there. Okay, I think I got everybody. Everybody's safe. Everybody's safe, okay? So, here we go. Look at that, all that growth. And bro, I mean, this one's always been healthy, but it looks even healthier. So, anyway, moving on. I have to watch it because my dog's shat over here. And, okay, I think I found the shat. Let's avoid that. I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. You know, because I just want to get a little view of it. So anyway, look at it. I mean, even this one is doing good, and it has some burnt leaves. I think that's from my dogs peeing on it, but you know, you see what we did here. So bro, you tell me what you think. Let's take a look at this other one over here. That one's really nice as well. Hope you can see it. Man, tell me if you can see it down in the comments. I really like to know. I need to get into the camera, but this is on my iPhone, so. All right. Yep, so guys, that's it, man. I mean, you let me know what you think. And, man, I'm gonna tell you what I think, because between me and you, I think it's working. I think it's working. It's been 4 days. So go back and look at the footage and you tell me. And if I'm wrong, then you let me know. By the way, if you want one of these, I'll sell them to you. I'm still kind of figuring that one out, but I will have them for you. And so in the future, if you want one, just hit me up in the DMs, and we will exchange information for now. And I'll tell you where you can. I'll tell you where you can go ahead and send payment and everything too. So that's it, guys. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to stop by here, pay me a visit. I do appreciate it. So see you next time.